Welcome to Factory Window. Today we're opening a window into the yogurt production process of one of America's leading Greek yogurt brands, Chobani. Chobani produced its first Greek yogurt in 2007 and has factories in Australia, New York, and its largest facility in Twin Falls, Idaho. The creation of Chobani yogurt begins with sourcing the ingredients. Raw milk is the primary ingredient in Chobani Greek yogurt. Other ingredients used in the yogurts are their proprietary culture, fruits, nuts, and other flavorings added to the yogurt. Chobani sources its raw milk from local farmers, usually family farms in Idaho for its Idaho facility and Unadilla Valley for its New York facility. Chobani only uses milk from cows that are not treated with RBST, a growth hormone used to increase milk production in dairy cows. Although the hormone is approved for use by the FDA, it raises concerns about higher occurrences of mastitis in cows treated with the hormones. This results in higher antibiotic use, which raises concerns about spreading antibacterial resistance in humans. The fruits used in the real fruit yogurts are sourced from 4 domestic fruit suppliers, who must adhere to the company's non-GMO requirements. Dry ingredients for products such as the Chobani Flip yogurt line are sourced from global suppliers and tested for quality before being blended and packaged into the mix-in cups. Testing is the second step in the production of Chobani yogurt. Chobani checks the temperature of the milk, ensuring it is below 45 degrees Fahrenheit. The milk is also tested to ensure it does not have other components that would interfere with the fermentation process or affect the final quality of the yogurt. Once the milk passes the initial tests, it is pumped through a filter to remove foreign matter like fur. It is then stored in large tanks at 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Maintaining milk at 45 degrees Fahrenheit during transport and before processing is essential in preventing bacterial action and thus spoilage before processing. The milk will be used for yogurt making within 24 to 72 hours. The next step in producing Chobani yogurt involves separating the milk into skim and cream. This process happens inside separators that spin the milk at a temperature of up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. The spinning action forces different milk components to separate, allowing Chobani to remove skim milk. Chobani automates its milk separation process, which allows it to separate skim milk with the desired fat content for Greek yogurt products. The resulting cream is used to produce other products in its product line or sold to butter manufacturers. The skim milk from the separators is pasteurized using the high-temperature short-time or HTST pasteurization process. First, the milk is heated rapidly to 172 degrees Fahrenheit and maintained at that temperature for 15 seconds. Then it is cooled rapidly to complete the pasteurization process. The pasteurized milk is then filtered to remove impurities. At this point, the pasteurized milk is ready for the maturation process. The maturation process simply involves fermenting the milk using a starter culture. Chobani adds a mother culture and probiotics to warm skim milk. The quantities of starter culture and probiotics used will depend on the desired flavor of the yogurt. Their live cultures, including S. thermophilus, L. bulgaricus, L. acidophilus, bifidus, L. casei, and L. rhamnosus, break down the sugars in the milk during the fermentation process. After fermentation, the live cultures remain in the yogurt, providing health benefits when consumed. These are mixed into the milk using agitators and left to mature for up to 10 hours. During fermentation, temperatures are controlled to provide the best environment. The resulting product is cooled after fermentation to stop the process and prevent the yogurt from turning sour. The maturation process produces whey and curd, which are separated through straining. Greek yogurt has a low concentration of whey, which is usually removed during the straining process. Chobani uses a triple straining process, which results in a thick and creamy product. Farmers use the resulting whey to supplement their livestock feed or fertilize their land. The next step involves adding cream and fruits. Chobani produces a range of flavored Greek yogurts, primarily using real fruits. These fruits are usually sourced from domestic suppliers who deal with non-GMO fruits. Before they're added to the yogurt, fruits are pasteurized to kill any bacteria and microbes that would affect the shelf life and quality of the product. Pasteurizing fruits follows the same general process as pasteurizing milk, heating to a high temperature and rapidly cooling them. In addition to fruit, Chobani also adds different pasteurized cream varieties to the yogurt to make it thicker. These processes happen inside stainless steel filling machines used for the packaging process. Stainless steel equipment is preferred as it is easier to clean and sanitize. Packaging starts with filling cups of different sizes of the yogurt and sealing them firmly. These individual yogurt cups are then stacked and palletized. After palletization, the yogurt is warehoused in cold rooms under 45 degrees Fahrenheit for several days to solidify. Once solidified, the yogurt is distributed to consumers through various distribution centers, grocery chains, and other outlets. Milk is a sensitive product that deteriorates fast. Inside Chobani yogurt production plants, care is taken to ensure the milk and resulting yogurt meet internal and regulatory quality standards. For Chobani, this process starts during the ingredient sourcing stage and continues through the production and post-production stages. When sourcing raw milk, the company works with farmers who comply with their standards, including not using growth hormones for their cattle. The milk is also tested thoroughly for microorganisms, antibiotics, and other components affecting the yogurt processing process. Since raw milk is a delicate product, Chobani tests it before unloading it into production facilities. Only milk that passes the first test is taken into production. The quality checking process continues at every stage of the manufacturing process. During storage, the milk is kept at the right temperatures, usually 45 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure it does not begin to ferment. Chobani also has short production cycles, ensuring that the bacteria activity is controlled to the highest degree possible. The company plans its production processes, ensuring all production lines are open for each batch. Samples at each stage of the production process are taken and tested to check for quality and unwanted bacteria or microbes. Other quality checks, such as the skim milk's fat content and the yogurt's viscosity, are automated and built into the production process. Chobani also minimizes the production time between fermentation and packaging. By packing the yogurt as soon as possible, the company ensures that residual whey in the fermentation tank does not get into the filling machines. When this happens, the yogurt is likely to be watery and bitter. Other quality checks include checking the yogurt for bricks, texture, and flavor. Hygiene is essential for ensuring quality yogurt every time. Chobani cleans its production facilities regularly. They do this by planning each production process to ensure time for cleaning. The equipment and production facilities are cleaned with different cleaning products depending on the products they handle. Chobani was founded in 2005 by Hamdi Ulukaya, a Turkish businessman who noticed the absence of Greek yogurt on American shelves and stepped up to popularize this high-protein yogurt in the country, a goal which one may say has been achieved, as the brand is now one of the leading Greek yogurt sellers. Innovation is at the root of Chobani and its manufacturing processes. The company's innovative spirit began with its first Greek yogurt product, which was produced after months of perfecting the recipe. During the research phase for their first Greek yogurt, Chobani's founder worked closely with a Turkish Greek yogurt expert to perfect the ingredients, starter culture, and fermentation process. The goal was to produce an authentic Greek yogurt that used natural ingredients. The use of all natural ingredients is still a major selling point for Chobani's yogurts. Since then, the company's innovative spirit has produced different flavored yogurts, drinks, and products. The company has recently started producing non-dairy Greek yogurts from plant-based sources such as coconut milk. Chobani released its first non-dairy yogurt in 2019. The company, which started in New York, expanded its production facilities, building its largest plant in Twin Falls and an international facility in Australia. Chobani continues to cement its place as a Greek yogurt brand. Its production process is highly automated and conducted in sanitary conditions, and although the company has previously had to recall its yogurt, an incident hasn't recurred since 2013. Have you had Chobani Greek yogurt? What are your thoughts? Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. See you in the next one.